Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre espresso shots? Get ready to elevate your coffee game with the ARO Espresso 53.3mm Tamper from Fused line. This premium tamper is a game changer for any coffee enthusiast, and I'm excited to. Compatible with all 54mm Breville portafilters, this tamper is precision machined to a diameter of 53.3mm, making it a perfect fit for your Barista Express, Bambino, or other Breville machines. The fact that it's made from 100% food-grade stainless steel gives me peace of mind, and the weight of it, a whopping 1 pound, feels solid in my hand. When you use this tamper, you'll notice the tight tolerances and sharp edge along the base allow for coverage of the entire puck, reducing channeling and promoting even extractions, resulting in a smoother, more balanced shot. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The quality is top-notch. The sound of the tamper gliding across the coffee grounds is smooth, and the feel of it in my hand is ergonomic and comfortable. Whether you're a professional barista or a coffee enthusiast, this tamper is a must-have. It's heavy-duty, durable, and will last you a long time. I love that it's made by a family-run company based in Seattle. Supporting small businesses is important to me. With the ARO Espresso 53.3mm Tamper, you'll be able to improve your shot consistency, and that's what it's all about, getting that perfect shot every time. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade to this amazing tamper and take your coffee to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.